Welcome to Owen Allen Media. Vybz Kartel performed at the Wireless Festival in the UK for the first time alongside Drake, Spice, Masicka, Popcaan, and it is a great show, right? Vybz Kartel shelled the place, and Vybz Kartel delivered one of his best performances since he came from prison. So I want you to check it out and leave your thoughts in the comment section, because Vybz Kartel truly delivered when it matters. He delivered on the high stage. So check it out right now. Vybz Kartel performance in the UK.
First time in 20 years. So you know I gotta work for the ladies first. With that tight vagina. You wasn't coming like Bible. When you open up, you see everything. Put on the best, my dear child. Nothing like dear child. Your pussy coming like Bible. I probably love some great sex. No one to know that's fearless. And you're never afraid of the excess. You want to live on it? I gotta love it up, and I will love it up like wow. We live on this boom boom. I gotta love it up, and I will love it up like wow. We live on this boom boom. Gotta love it up, and I will love it up like wow. We live on this boom boom. Gotta love it up. You with the flap, do this. I feel it. I feel it. Let me do your make and do me that. What you really mean when you say nothing yet? Run the half a cocky and you get up and cut. Everybody told you come blood pan to fat. You tell me your man that have got these you feel that. 2 days later we see you come back and you come see Drake up. Hear me? Come on down, we're running down the jamming boys. You're unprofessional. Why you think I know job?
Big up everybody. Big up Lisa. Yo, one bomber cloud, well boss.
So you know I gotta work for the ladies first.
Hey.
With that tight vagina. Look there. Your pussy coming like
Bible. When you open up, it's an airplane. Oh shit. Lisa, what? Big up my sister.
I love some great sex. You want to know that's fearless. And you're never afraid of the excess. You want to live on
Best good love.
gotta go with you. And I'm in love with you like wow.
The ever blessed good love.
Gotta go with you. And I'm in love with you like wow. The ever blessed boom boom. Gotta go with you. And I'm in love with you like wow. The ever blessed boom boom. Gotta go with you.
Yo, everybody who did that down the world boss and for where? You see how it works? Back.
That is it. You're the man of vocals, man.
Hold on. Ish
I gotta go with you.
Like wow, the ever blessed boom boom.
Gotta go with you, and I'm in love with you. Like wow, the ever blessed boom boom. Gotta go with you, and I'm in love with you. Like wow, the ever blessed boom boom. Gotta go with you. No, listen, you're not red like this. He said to up and he ain't like this. Me go kissy but me feel like this. When me say you move this hard like this.
Kiss me, baby.
When that's where we live. The last man make your hear this. But all your comment give me your mercy. Come and stand on the birthplace this. And remember, that's a birthplace. I gotta go with you, and I'm in love with you.
You like wow, the ever blessed bomber clap.
I love it.
One sec, guys, put the charger in. And you want me say, yes, thank you. Baby, this how me love you for. But in a bedroom, you my bitch. Because you
Fire
got it
flame.
up.
Fire flame. Fire flame. Fire flame.
Me love so much. I'm a baby. Why but the party?
She turned me on. When they come in there, she done with the bed. She said, "Go on the ground." Never see a girl lean down.
I have to angle it because I can't even see the screen. Fucking hell.
Sing with me. We go in at the phone booth, and the village, in the church, get in the city, in the school, the eyes and the street. You can't just be a son of life, you're not it, and then makes a give up. She can give up.
Hey,
That's the way she
get the cocky sock.
She loves me so much. We never see a girl but we love so much. Alright.
The teacher just a get started. The teacher just a warm up.
Cartel, what you know about
Just a warm
me?
up.
She said,
Just a
Cartel, what
warm
you
up.
know about me?
Represent London.
She said, Cartel.
yo,
Hey.
Right.
Now they go up.
Looking at
Sorry, I'm trying to keep my hands still, but boy, the vibe attack me. We got Tasha. 20 years the man that reach him there for. Biggest bomber class shot.
the crowd of thing, man. The crowd of vibe.
Whisper the thing that will let me hear.
Thank you, Lisa. Big up everybody. When we take away your virginity, first night at the ramping shop. We ball out when the full city as the ramping started stop. You still feel like a virgin, I'm enough to sit on panka. Before sitting, baby, remember the first fuck. Remember the first time pussy earth up. Shape up and you stuck. Shape up and you stuck.